Hey there. So, you're planning a trip to Israel? Amazing choice. But now comes the big question. Where do you start? Jerusalem, Tel Aviv, maybe Haifa? And how many days should you spend in each place? This is one of the most critical parts of your trip planning. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. My name is Yariv Hen. I'm the CEO of Israeli Guide LTD, one of the top tour companies in Israel. I've seen firsthand how the right planning can turn a good trip into an unforgettable one. This is the first video in a 3-part series where we'll break down how to plan the perfect itinerary for your Israel trip. Here is the #1 mistake travelers make: booking hotels before planning their itinerary. It might seem like a small thing, but trust me, it can cause unnecessary stress and lead to missed opportunities. Here's the good news. We have put together a series of expert guidelines to help you plan your trip smoothly and effectively. To get these guidelines and the rest of the videos in the series, just fill in your details below and you'll receive the videos free of charge straight to your email. So, before you book anything, make sure you get the right advice. Fill out the form and let's get started on making your Israel trip the best it can be.